Then what we're going to do is replace everything that was here. That is to say, here the dates props, you replace it by 3div with written months, year, and days. Then what we will do at the top is very simple. We will remove all that and we will replace it by other const. And this const will be named const months, const days, and const years. Then you fill in props.date to local string with a capital L, and in parentheses en-fr, months long. Then after that you mark const, year, props, date, it's the same, you just change the year. Here on the other hand, it will not be that. So here we are going to mark it like this. And we will be able to see that there it is displayed well. We still have some small problems, but that is not serious, we will fix them in the next video, and we will be able to move on the next chapter.